Hey traders, it's Matt Janino. Just going to show you a quick video on how to hide your account balances and your balances over here and your account number. Because if you're like me, you want to keep that all secure, and it took me a long time to figure it out. So I figured I'd make a video to make your life easier. So it's really simple. You just come over to the option buying power over here, you click it, and then there's going to be a toggle that says privacy mode or just privacy. I'm not going to click it because it's going to show my account balances, but you click it, it drops all these numbers to those asterisks and makes it super easy for you. So that's this neat trick that took me about 2 days to figure out. Hopefully it helps you find it faster. Good luck.